You are going to learn some useful greeting phrases from this lesson. In this lesson, I will introduce you 4 ways of saying thank you. And also, I will mention that Romaji won't show up from this lesson. It means that it will help you read Hiragana and Katakana quickly and properly. First, please read this Hiragana. Arigatou. We write arigatou, but to make it pronounce easier, we say arigatou. The last letter u will be o, as the second last letter's vowel is also o. So it will be arigatou. It means thank you. This is a casual way to say thank you, so you can say it to your friends and family. Let's say it again. Please repeat after me. Arigatou. Very good. Next, please read this. Arigatou gozaimasu. It means also thank you, but this is more formal and you can use it to people you respect like a boss or teacher, also colleagues, and people you don't really know yet, or strangers too. Let's say it again. Please repeat after me. ありがとうございます。Well done. Next, please read this. どうも。We write どうも, but to make it pronounce easier, we say どうも. It means casual way to say thanks, but still respectful, so you can use it to strangers or friends too. However, to a person who did some small help. For example, when a waiter brought you a menu in a restaurant, you can say どうも. So please repeat after me. どうも. Lastly, this phrase. Please read it. どうもありがとうございます。It means thank you very much. When you put together with どうも and ありがとうございます。どうも part will be a meaning of very much. When you want to express the appreciation, you can use this phrase, and this is also a formal way. Let's say it again. Please repeat after me. どうもありがとうございます。Well done! You learned 4 ways of thank you in this lesson. ありがとう。ありがとうございます。どうも。どうもありがとうございます。 In the next lesson, you will learn 4 types of greetings. See you in the next lesson. 皆さん、こんにちは。夏子です。挨拶の練習はどうでしたか？よくできましたか？もっとたくさんの挨拶の表現について勉強したい方、私のビデオコース Learn Japanese for Beginners with Natsuko に登録して、たくさんの挨拶を勉強していきましょう。待ってます。バイバイ。